Okay, so here is our quiz problem. We're going to go ahead and solve the absolute value inequality. And if you haven't tried this problem, maybe you want to go ahead and pause the video and try it now. All right, so let's take a look at our solution. Now remember, this is just a basic pop quiz. We'll go through the solution real quick, but if you're having trouble with this, you want to go back and obviously take the time to relearn it. But with absolute value inequalities, okay, as we have right here, we have to notice what type of inequality, and this is a less than. So the way we're going to solve this absolute value inequality is to rewrite the absolute value inequality as a compound inequality. Okay, you can see here the way this is rewritten, there's no more absolute value symbols. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to take what's inside the absolute value function here. Okay, we're going to put it in the center, and then we're going to take the positive and negative version of this number, in this case it's 18, and we're going to surround it, what was inside the absolute value function, in this manner. Okay, so we have 6x plus 2 surrounded by a positive 18, and then a negative version of that number is going to be over here on this side of this inequality. And you can see that the inequality symbols are going to still be less than. All right, so if you just take a look at this, okay, we're left with a compound inequality. So at this point, you should know how to solve a compound inequality before you take on trying to learn how to do absolute value inequalities. So the whole key to solving this problem is to know how to rewrite a absolute value inequality as a compound inequality, and then of course your ability to solve compound inequalities. So essentially what we're going to be doing is kind of like solving for x in the center here. Okay, so you can see the steps that we're taking. Okay, first of all we're subtracting 2 from all sides of the inequality. That leaves us with this, and then we're going to go ahead and get that x by itself by dividing by 6. Okay, dividing everything by 6, and we're left with this inequality statement here. And then with all inequalities, we like to graph our solutions, and the graph of that solution looks like this. All right, so basically what you wanted to strive for, your solution would be this graph right here. All right. And if you were able to do that, that's great. And if you're a homeschooler and want to take more of these pop quizzes, jump on over to homeschoolmathquiz.com. Hope to see you there, and have a great day.